Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name's Melissa, and today what I'm going to do is a one brand tutorial of Too Faced. I have the Natural Lust palette, and we're going to be using this to make a look. And I got some more Too Faced products I'm going to put with it to make it a full face of Too Faced. So, I guess that's it. If you want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. I got some Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to put a little bit of that on my eyes. Alright, so I'm going to take Love Language right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Let me put my clippies in. I'm going to take Afternoon Delight, and I'm going to deepen up my crease a little bit more. Oh, Afternoon Delight. Alright, now I'm taking Hot to Trot right here. And I'm going to put that in my outer corner. Alright, I'm going to take Sex Drive, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my eyelid. And now I'm taking Too Good down here, and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. Taking a cotton round and some micellar water, and I'm going to clean up any of the fallout or lines that I have. Taking the Too Faced Major Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer, and I'm going to put that all over my face. I'm taking the Born This Way foundation, and I'm going to put that dotted all over my face real quick. I'm going to blend that in with my foundation brush. I'm taking the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this is in Swan, and my foundation is in Vanilla. That's what it looks like. I'm going to put that under my eyes. Alright, I'm blending that in with my concealer brush. I'm going to take the medium highlight right there in the, there we go, in the palette right here, and I'm going to just put that on my under eyes to set them. Taking the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer, and that's what it looks like. And I'm going to put that to sculpt my face, my cheekbones. I'm going under my chin. And down my neck. Alright, now I'm taking the Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo Papaya Pop. And that's what the front looks like. That's what the inside looks like. Alright. And I'm going to take the blush and blush up my cheeks. I'm going over my nose to be sunburnt and sun-kissed. And I'm going to take the highlighter in here and I'm going to just highlight the contours of my face. I'm going to take Afternoon Delight and I'm going to take that underneath my eye. I'm going to take a Love Spark right there and see if I can't highlight my inside corner with that. I'm going to throw some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lashes. I'm taking the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling and Sunset Crush. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Alright, well, this is the final look using all Too Faced products. I hope you enjoyed it. I have fun playing with some products I hadn't really played with in a while. If you did like it, please hit the like button. Also subscribe so you can become a part of our family here in our small little corner of the internet. Also ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload some of my wonderful content. And share so more people can get to see it and we can get to our giveaway, our 25 subscriber giveaway. So I hope you have fun and thanks for hanging out with me. Have a great rest of the day. Bye y'all.